Azzi Fudd is an American college basketball player for the UConn Huskies of the Big East Conference. She attended St. John's College High School in Washington, D.C., where she was ranked as the number 1 recruit in her class by ESPN and won National Player of the Year honors. In 2019, Fudd was named the Gatorade National Girls Basketball Player of the Year after putting up averages of 26.3 points, 6.2 rebounds, and 2.5 assists per game, becoming the first sophomore ever to win the award. She led her team to a 35-1 record and captured the District of Columbia State Athletic Association DCSAA tournament title. She attended St. John's College High School in Washington, D.C., where she was ranked as the number 1 recruit in her class by ESPN and won National Player of the Year honors. Fudd was on the UConn team that reached the 2022 National Championship game as a freshman and won the 2025 National Championship game as a senior. Fudd made her season debut on November 8, 2023, notching 13 points, 3 rebounds and 3 assists in a 102-58 win against Dayton. On November 22, 2023, it was announced that Fudd had torn her right ACL while practicing, ending her season. Fudd made her season debut on November 20, 2024 in a 85-41 win against FDU. She finished the night scoring 4 points and 1 rebound in a limited 12 minutes. On February 12, 2025, Fudd scored a career-high 34 points against St. John's in a 78-40 win. She also became the 8th player in program history to score 8 3-pointers in a game. At the end of the 2025 regular season, Fudd was named to the All-Big East first team along with teammates Paige Bueckers and Sarah Strong. On March 25, 2025, she announced she would be returning to UConn for her final season despite being eligible for the WNBA draft. On April 6, 2025, Fudd won her first national championship, scoring 24 points and 5 rebounds and also winning Most Outstanding Player honors for her performance. She finished her senior season averaging 13.6 points, 2.0 rebounds and 1.8 assists. Fudd was selected Big East Preseason Freshman of the Year. On November 21, 2021, Fudd made her collegiate debut for UConn, scoring 7 points and 3 rebounds in a 95-80 win over Arkansas. After playing in the first 2 games of the season, she missed 11 games due to a foot injury. On February 6, 2022, in Fudd's first collegiate start against rival Tennessee, she finished with a career-high 25 points along with 4 rebounds and 4 assists. The following game, Fudd finished with a season-high 29 points against Villanova in a 72-69 loss. Fudd returned to the St. John's team in January 2020, averaging 19.2 points, 3.5 rebounds and 2.0 assists for St.